guys, welcome back to another channel. So I guess I got another package. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is gonna be hard to open. Real tape. Oh, this is so cute little package. Okay, this is hers. It says, "Hi, thank you so much for buying from me. I hope it gets you quickly in safety." She's really sweet. This is taking forever to get off. I think I should film my video sideways instead of forward. I might keep this little card maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. It depends. Trying to get the sticky note off so I can keep it. Oh, did it? Sorry about the noise, guys. I don't live by myself. Yay! It's the big Polaroids. Okay. I got Jimin and Jungkook. I'm trying to get this out though. So much to cut. Oh, his signature is so cute. Love it. Oh, baby Jimin, baby Jungkook. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to this person who got me this. Thank you so much. I am very happy. Okay, I'm gonna go and post this so I can give it to her so I can show proof. So I'm going to go ahead and get off now. Maybe if I get another one, it won't be a long time though, but I'll let you guys know if I have another one. So bye.